Are you tired of not being able to see on the road with your Z? Tired of not being able to see anything? Tired of your headlights looking dull? Tired of crashing into a tree thinking that it was a parking spot? Today we have the solution. Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna make these dookie headlights shine bright again. First things first, you're probably thinking, how in the world are you gonna make those lights any brighter than they already are now? Are you gonna install HIDs? No, we don't do that. You know why? They destroy and melt everything in your car. You want some dookie headlights? You want oven bake, easy bake headlights? We're not doing that. So today, thank you to our sponsor. Today's sponsor is gonna be Lasfit. Hey, this is JDM Nedu in a nice plaid shirt. And today we're going to be talking about our sponsor, Lasfit Auto LED Lighting. Lasfit is a growing company that's been making lights for many different types of vehicles, including your boys in the Z Crew, the G Crew, and the Q Crew. Now, they've seen our concerns, our struggles. We can't see at night. We blind. And guess what they're making for us? Lasfit has brought to us and the car community for most Nissan and Infiniti applications, D2 Pro Series headlight bulbs and ballast. Not only that, but they are backed by a 2-year warranty. A 2-year warranty. Who gives out 2-year warranties anymore? Nobody. Lasfit's also giving us a 2-year warranty, and they also have weekdays, Monday through Friday, where you can go ahead and talk to them on the phone or by email to help you out with any concerns if you don't know what you're doing, if you have any type of issues. Not only that, but they're giving us a nice little gift. Use the code JDMNEDU, which is JDMNEDU. You will get 10% off of your order. I'll leave you guys a link down in the description for the website, as well as the Pro D2 series lights down in the description for you guys that are gonna go ahead and just buy those right now, because you know you need it. Go ahead. Thank you that you guys listened to me about that. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, so I'm not gonna get you guys off too much about unboxing this. I'm just gonna take my time and see in the box right here, we have the Lasfit ballasts that are right here. Everything is to OEM specifications for the headlight, as well as the bulbs that are now LED versus the D2S, or I think it's the S2, I don't know, not the future album.
Life is good. But
first things first, we have to take off the bumper and the headlight to get this done. Easier this is. Kind of make me. All right, next is the headlight bolts. All you have to do is unbolt everything. No, I'm just playing. All you have to do is unbolt the ballast, which is right here, the part with the barcode right there. And then after you do that, the bulb is going to be located in this headlight cover. You'll be able to take both of them out. And I'm going to show you how to do it. You talk to the camera, you talk to yourself. That's the most weirdest thing to do, bro. It is so weird. I remember I used to be like, Alright, next is the Lasfit ballast. It is very slim, very compact, as you can see, versus the old ballast with the Z. Very fat. Alright, pause. You see there? That thing there is supposed to be replaced onto the new ballast that Lasfit gives you. If not, your headlight will be swimming with water and other things you don't want to see in there. Trust me. Because I know somebody that knew a guy that knew his friend's uncle that did it. And ugly. But I'm gonna put this bad boy in. It also disconnects right here, so it makes it a lot easier for you to plug in. So we're about to go ahead and do that. And I'm not gonna show you guys how to do the second headlight. I'm just gonna show you guys the finished product. Alright, one headlight is completely done. We're gonna go see and test if this truly works. I'm scared. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we are out here, we are outside. Lights are off. Man, you guys are about to see a huge difference. So let's go ahead and turn these guys on. As you can see, we got some extremely bright light. It pretty much goes almost towards that sign. You can't see it, is in red right there, that orange, well, it looks orange on camera. These are extremely bright. But yeah, we are going all the way there, all the way out. That is amazing. Whoa, buddy, where you going, buddy? It's a Toad. Are these JDM Netto approved? I think so. They are for me. Alright, I'm gonna do one more test. Y'all ready? Oh my goodness. No high beam. This is my high beam, y'all. This is not my high beam. High beam, no high beam. It's that same road, guys. That same road. Ain't that different? Ain't that different? A whole lot brighter. Oh my goodness. Do yourself a favor. We're not trying to crash into no trees. 2021. I see y'all. Y'all tree huggers. Metal tree huggers. I see y'all. Don't do that.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and